Okay, mis amores, miren, ve. I'm going to help you with this assessment. Yes, it's a little bit hard, but you are so smart, you guys. So it says addition. Let's add 643 and 159. So the first thing that I need to do is show 643. That's my first add. So I get the place value cards in order. Remember to pair them up. They should look nice and neat. I can group them by 2s. I can group them by 3s. That way I know it is easier for me to count. So I have 600. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I have 4 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Nice and neat. And then my second add-in is 159. 159, so 100. And I have 5 tens. How do I know that the number 5 is an odd number? Look at that. Because the 4s have partners, but the 5 is missing a partner. Look, 5. And then I have 9 ones. I'm gonna put the 9s in groups of 3 because I know I can make groups of 3. So this is the first thing that I need to do. I need to show my place value cards, both numbers, first add-in and second add-in. This one over here is my first add-in, which I showed it here, and this is the second add-in, which I showed it here. Okay, so now I'm going to count the ones. 1, 2, always start with the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, because I need 9 here. I didn't finish. Sorry, my mistake. I have 159, not 156. Let's count again. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Miss Gonzalez, I have more than 10. So this is a 10. Oh no, I want it transparent. This is 3 plus 3 more. That is 6 plus 3 more. I have 9. So all of that plus this makes a 10. But that doesn't mean I'm going to take them away. I'm going to leave them there because I'm showing the number. But what happens with these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It changes into a 10, you guys. You need to add that 10. So I'm going to add that 10, but I'm going to add it at the outside. So I know I'm going to put it right there below. Look. But how many ones are left? Because these, they change into 10s. I have only 2. So I'm going to go to the ones and I'm going to write 2 because I have 12. So 1 changed into 10 and I stayed with 2 ones. Now I'm going to count the 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Miss Gonzalez, I have 10 tens. What does that mean? What does that mean if I have 10 tens? That means they are going to become 100 because 10 tens become 100. Become 100. 10 tens represent 100. So all of this becomes 100. So I'm going to get 100. And I get 100 and I'm going to put it down here. So I don't have tens because all of these become, so I have 0. And then I'm going to count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my sum is 802. Do you see why it's important to start with the ones? Because the ones may turn into tens, and then the tens may turn into 1.